The next day during dinner another group is called by Jansen. Thomas tries to follow them and is stopped by the guards again, but this time Thomas keeps pushing and the guards have to use force to stop him. The other teens rush to pull Thomas back and Jansen orders his men to send this group to their bunks. In their room, Thomas reveals he caused that scene to steal the guard's ID badge and intends to find out the secret of this facility. However, Newt thinks Thomas is overreacting and he should be thankful they have food and shelter now. At that moment Aris appears in the vent and Thomas follows him. Soon they reach the corridor outside the mysterious lab and Thomas uses the badge to open the lock. Inside he's shocked to see tubes filled with grievers, the monsters from the maze. In another room the boys are horrified to find all the teenagers who were called for relocation. They're unconscious and hanging from a machine that is harvesting a blue liquid from their bodies. Suddenly Jansen comes in and the boys run to hide. He turns on a screen to video talk to Ava, which means this facility is working for Wicked. She asks him to get all the teenagers he has sedated and prepped for harvest since she'll be visiting soon. Ava also asks about the rebel group living in the mountains known as the Right Arm, which has been attacking various Wicked facilities. Jansen promises that his men will find the rebel headquarters soon. After Jansen is gone, Thomas and Aris return to the bedroom and tell their friends everything while blocking the door. Soon Jansen comes to pick up the boys and his guards have to push the door open, but the teens are already gone. Thomas' team has escaped through the vents and makes it to another corridor, where Aris announces he's staying because there's something he's got to do. The group starts running and bumps into Crawford, so they force her to take them to Teresa. The alarms go off and Jansen finds the boys on the security cameras. A guard immediately appears in the corridor and uses his stun gun to try to stop them, but Minnow brings him down by kicking him against the wall. After taking the guard's gun, the group rushes to a lab to find Teresa on a bed. More guards are coming so they block the door with a table before breaking a window to reach a different exit. There's another guard on the other side and Thomas immediately stuns him with the gun. The team keeps running and reaches a closed gate that the badge can't open. Jansen and his men appear in the corridor, saying that if they leave they won't be able to survive the harsh conditions outside. At that moment the door opens revealing Aris,